pumpkin patch letter matching activity is perfect for fall. To make your own set, you need foam pumpkins, green cardstock, a pencil, and a permanent marker. Trace the pumpkins on the cardstock and then go over the outline with a permanent marker. Write a lowercase letter on each pumpkin. Write corresponding uppercase letters inside of the pumpkins on the board. Have your kids match the pumpkins. This is a great project for matching, recognition, and easy playtime. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.